cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but I said why not? I'm in the process of preparing my truck to be on the road, building a bed. I kind of just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. Never done anything like this before, man, in my life. I figured why not show you guys. Anyhow, if you guys are new to the channel, man, my name is Tim. Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go take a look. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the truck, the kind of truck I have, what I'm gonna be using, what I'm doing with it right now to actually get it ready for the road. All right, so let's do it. All right, y'all, so I have a 2020 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel, 6.7 Cummins. I got my truck last August, and I got the truck not intending to do anything like this, any hot shotting with it, at least not on this level. Like I said, I've done hot shotting in the past, but not with a gooseneck, just with you know, bumper pulls and closed in trailers. But yeah, this is my truck and this is what I'll be using. I got the hitch install at a place here in Houston, Texas, Master Hitch. They did pretty well. It's flipped around right now. Yeah, that ran me about $1,100 to get that installed. I am in the process of getting the back converted into a sleeping area. Took the seats out a little bit earlier before I started vlogging, but this is where I'm at. Yeah, it's got the tow package. It's got the, you know, the electronic brakes, unnecessary screen. Yeah, I got about 10,000 miles on there. I have an RV as well, so we took a trip to Florida, did a few hauls with it. But yeah, this is it, man. So I'm about to get started to cut this wood. Like I said, I haven't done anything like this before, guys. I got a good friend that's been helping me out, man, kind of giving me some guidance. Of course, YouTube University. Been watching some videos, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this ply. I forgot what size I got, man. It's got a little thickness to it. And then I'm gonna frame it out with these 2x4s. And then I got my leg pieces for the legs. So that's pretty much what I'm about to do right now, man. You can see I really don't have a official setup here. This is my entrance table I took out of the house. Bought this man for like 25 bucks the other day. But other than that, here are the seats I took out. Over the past week I've been getting some things in the mail. I got my blankets, I got my PPE in that box. I'm gonna be storing some of my supplies in there. These actually just came in the mail. I got my tarps, straps, and all my securement items. Yeah, man, so that is it. That's what I'm doing. I mounted my fire extinguisher. I used the bracketeer bracket only because I didn't, you know, have any other way. I didn't find any other way of mounting a fire extinguisher in the car. I didn't want to put any holes anywhere, anything like that. So that's it, man. That's where I'm at, guys. I'm gonna get started on cutting down some of this wood and putting it together, man, and go from there. Alright, y'all, so I told y'all I wasn't no carpenter. My wife helped me put it in over there. So everything as far as the measurements I did for the ply from the back to the front is good. The only problem I'm having is I don't know how I calculated this way. The legs in the front are too high, so it's really like, if you can see, it ain't leveled. It needs to go down, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna measure and cut down these two front legs. But so far my battery piece of drill died, so charging, I'm gonna put another beam that's right here, another 2x4 going across over here, and then I'm probably gonna drop a leg in the middle just to get more so it's more steady. I don't want to put too much, man, because I'm not trying to add too much weight. Let me show y'all what it looks like on the other side. Alright, here you go. This probably. But what I like is that I'm gonna have all this space right here for storage. Probably put some clothes or, you know, whatever. Then I'm gonna get a foam mattress to put on top of here. I think this level, what I was trying to do is get it level to the door. So I think once I cut these legs down, I should be good. That way I can get in and get out comfortably. But yeah, mainly I definitely wanted some storage under here, so far I think it's looking good. Hey guys, after about 8 hours
38 hours
8 hours, man, of carpentry work, bro, I think I'm done. This is what it looks like. The nosy Frenchie over there, the nosy wife. But yeah, this is what it looks like. What I'm gonna do next is, the last thing I'm gonna do is get some metal 90-degree brackets to kind of secure the framing together of all these points. Yeah, so I'm pretty much wrapped up with the bed frame. I just want to talk a little bit about what it cost me to pretty much make the bed frame, a DIY bed frame for my truck. The plywood was about 33 bucks for a sheet. I got it on clearance, 70% off. I got one sheet of plywood. I got 3 pieces of 2x4s. They're about 96 inches long. I got some pre-cut for the legs. One I got 2 feet and the other was 3 feet. The pre-cut 2x4s that I got. So that's pretty much all it took me, man, to make the frame. I've got to order the bed. I'm gonna order from Amazon, probably like a 3 to 4 inch foam mattress. Once I get that, y'all will see that as well. But yeah, man, I think it was fairly in the budget, 50 bucks. It was 50 bucks because the plywood was 70% off. But if not, it would have been maybe around 70 bucks. So not bad, I would say. Nosy dog, bro. Alright, so I might be overthinking this, man, but I feel like I need to put something right here to kind of stabilize the legs. Maybe I'll get another pack of these 90 angle brackets here and put them for the legs. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. I'm new to all this, bro. I'm just kind of freestyling it here. Might be overkill, I don't know, but I'm having fun with it. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Time to get this thing inside the truck. try to do it myself. Yesterday I had my wife helping me put it in and out. So let's do it, huh? It's kind of heavy, dog. A little harder than I thought, guys. Let me figure this out. All right, y'all, I got it in. I had to do some like MacGyver type. Had to lay on my back under here and kind of like sit like I'm on a bench rest and kind of flip it around, but it looks good, man. I got it kind of level with the armrest so that the idea is to, when everything is closed in, I can either just crawl in from the front so I don't have to come through the back doors. But yeah, I think it looks good, man. I kind of made it this height, and I also kind of leveled it with the armrest on the doors so that I can also have storage space underneath. Probably put a couple of tubs here and you know, make use of the space as much as possible. Hey, what the hell you doing? Quit chasing the birds. Here it is from this side. But yeah, it's gonna be my bed. All right, y'all, let's test this shit out. Hopefully my legs don't fail on me. Sleep at an angle like this. This doesn't feel bad, y'all. I'm hearing a few cracks. I don't know what the hell that is, but we gonna see if they last. Ooh, y'all hear that? This is it, man. Ooh. Okay, and what I can actually do here is kind of somewhat have a desk, but I ain't got that much room, so maybe not. Oh, that's just the 2x4s rubbing against each other. But yeah, man, pretty sturdy. Both doors shut. All right, y'all, so I think I'm gonna wrap up the video right here, man. That completes the build for my bed frame. Again, welcome to the channel, man. I'll probably do another video with my full setup on how I pad the frame, how I do my storage, and pretty much bring in what I need. But like I said, I'll do another video of that. Y'all stay tuned, man. A lot more to come. I do want to just say one thing, guys. Of course, this here is something new that I'm doing. I've never done something like this before. I'm all about positivity, man. That's what my page is gonna be, my channel is gonna be about. I'm not with the negativity. I'm not with the talking. I'm not with none of that, man. So if you guys are about that, man, just keep that off my channel. If I see it in the comments, I'll probably just delete it. I'm sure there's gonna be that y'all gonna probably say, and you guys are kind of gonna be like, yo, what am I doing? Or if I'm doing something wrong, just enlighten me, man. I'm here to learn. You know, I'm here to learn and grow and so forth, man. So just want to leave y'all with that. Again, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. A lot more content coming. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.